Hey guys, I'm Sarah. This is No BS Beauty. I've got cameraman here, I've got Ike here, and I've got Lincoln here. And today I just thought I'd talk about new skincare products I'm excited about or thrilled about, interested in seeing how they are, the reviews of them, everything like that. So the first one I thought I'd mention, I talked about it in a video, but I just want to mention it again. Topicals re-released their unscented version of their fading cream. So this is their dark spot correction discoloration serum. It's 28 bucks, so they have an unscented version. I have a feeling their sales might have went down when they reformulated the original version, which has such great reviews. People didn't like the sulfur smell of it, so then they added fragrance, and then people like me stopped buying it and stopped talking about it, despite no other changes. I just prefer unscented, fragrance-free products because I have sensitive skin. My nose is sensitive, things like that. So anyway, so now they've released an unscented version. It's not as large as the original version, which I think was 50 milliliters, but this one's 1 ounce for 28 bucks. So it's got, what do they say? Kojic acid, tranexamic acid, niacinamide, azelaic acid. It's wonderful for dark spots. So if you haven't tried it, it's worth it. I just hope they come out with the bigger size again. I like the big size. Next up, E.L.F has come out with their Bright Icon Vitamin C and E and Ferulic Serum. I'm surprised that they hadn't had one really up until now. It's $16 for 1 ounce, and it contains 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid, which is an ascorbic acid derivative. They also contain ascorbic acid, vitamin E, panthenol, and ferulic acid. It is fragrance-free. The one thing I'm curious about, E.L.F is one of those brands that's known to make huge runs on their products at a time. So they'll manufacture everything they need to ship and cover every single building in the U.S. And they'll manufacture that all at once, deliver it out. And then if it's popular, they'll do it again in 6 months or a year. If it's not popular, it goes away. So I'm curious with something with ascorbic acid in it, is it going to be fresh if you're not purchasing it off the first run? Even after you purchase it of the first run, is it still going to be fresh? Ascorbic acid is not a stable ingredient. That's why it's an iffy ingredient that some people don't like, and brands have a hard time formulating around it. So anyway, it'll be interesting to see what happens with that. Really quick, I want to mention to Matthew, check your email. You won the giveaway this week, some goodies. So check it out below. Check out the link and write us back. Cameraman's trying to tell me that. Write us back.
No. Subscribe to
the newsletter. I'll link to it below. This is why I didn't become an actor. Yeah. Can you imagine? I've been fired on day 1. Next up, SkinMedica has released something called their Post-Procedure Repair Complex. It's $195 for 1 ounce, so it's expensive. Not nearly as expensive as the TNS Advanced Serum. This is my backup of it, which I got for a steal, a really good deal. So it's fragrance-free serum with their Human Fibroblast Conditioned Media. They're probably trying to compete with this stuff, which I got for a pretty good deal as well. A Neo Curtis post-treatment soothing cream. Also amazing. The one thing I worry about with the new one from SkinMedica, which this one does not contain. So their post-procedure repair complex has a short ingredient list. It's got their patented amazing ingredient, the Human Fibroblast Conditioned Media, which is honestly an amazing ingredient. However, they included as a preservative Methylisothiazolinone, which is a common and extremely well-known irritant. It's a preservative, but it's really known as a big irritant. So I'm a little bit leery of something that's supposed to be used on skin that was freshly lasered or microneedled, and then include that really potentially irritating preservative in it. It's $100 less than this guy, unless you're really good at getting on sale or something like that. So I don't know. I'm gonna wait for the reviews on that one. I'll probably try it out, but I know that Methylisothiazolinone, whatever it is. I used to be able to say it correctly. I know that's a big common irritant. So I don't know. On freshly prepared on skin and things like that and wound healing, I don't know. A little curious. Okay, next up, MIZON has just released something that looks like it's going to be a competitor, the Kasarx 6 Peptide Booster Serum. They have their 7 Vegan Peptide Booster Serum, which is 5 ounces for 26 bucks. It's a fragrance-free toner with 7 different peptides. It looks really nice. It's certainly going to be trying to compete with the Kasarx 6 Peptide Booster. Haven't tried it yet. It's available at, I'll link to it at YesStyle. I think it's also at Amazon. Check out the links below. A couple more. Glow Recipe. I noticed something was up because I started to notice this product at in a lot of beauty boxes and even at TJ Maxx. Their Plump Lip Balm. They now have a new one, which is their Glass Balm Lip Treatment for Shine and Hydration. It comes in 4 shades and flavors. It's $22 for 0.52 ounces. I like their other lip balm. It was quite nice. So, yeah, if that one's on sale or in a beauty box, I'd love to try it out. A couple more. The Good Molecules Hydrating Gel Moisturizer with Electrolytes. It's 1.6 ounces for $10. It's got a lot of electrolytes in there. It's got ectoine, licorice. It's got zinc, gluconate, copper gluconate. Looks great. Fragrance-free. $10. Can't find much for $10 anymore these days, can you? Not even a Happy Meal. Well, how much is a Happy Meal nowadays?
$6.
$6. Wow.
For 4 nuggets.
Yeah. So what is that? That's like $1.25 a nugget? $1.50 a nugget? Something like that.
$1.50.
$1.50 a nugget. Wow. Huh. Puts everything into perspective, doesn't it? Anyway, on to the next one. Alpine Beauty has come out with a Super Sculpt Serum for face and neck with Tripeptide Firming Complex. It's a little pricey, $62 for 1.7 ounces, but it's a moisturizer and it's front-loaded with peptides there at the pretty front of the ingredient list, which looks nice. It's got arginine, Snap 8, which I love. Looks like it's fragrance-free. It's at Sephora. Sometimes this brand has sales, so it might be worth waiting for it on sale, but kind of excited. I've actually had good luck with a lot of their stuff lately, so a lot of their stuff is pretty sensitive skin friendly as well. Okay, 2 left. The Anua Heartleaf Silky Moisturizer Sunscreen, SPF 50. It's $15 for 1.7 ounces, and it's a chemical sunscreen with Asian and Korean filters. It's fragrance-free. It's doesn't use the sad American filters we have available. It's got some nice stuff. It also contains Hatunia cordata extract, grape extract, green tea. It looks really nice. So Anua's been busy, releasing a lot of stuff really fast, but this one looks nice. And last but not least, coming in at $195 is a SkinCeuticals Advanced RGN-6 Regenerative Cream. Actually, it looks like that might be poised to compete with SkinMedica maybe, or Neocurtis. It's a regenerative cream designed to visibly reverse 6 signs of aging and skin tone damage. I'm intrigued by it. The ingredients look kind of ones that I haven't seen a lot anywhere, but I'd wait for reviews. And to be honest, if I'm going to spend $195, I'd probably rather spend a little bit more and get something with Human Fibroblast Conditioned Media in it maybe, or a really good sunscreen. I don't know. But I'll be interested to see if I can find some similar dupes of this. Probably not yet, but I have a feeling if this product does very successful, we'll see some dupes and alternatives to it. So SkinCeuticals always seems to be on the front edge of new science and new ingredients in their vitamin C serum now is not under patent. The patent expired a few months ago, so they got to come up with more stuff, so I'll probably patent that too. But anyway, so those are some new skincare goodies I'm excited about. Curious from hearing from you guys what you're fired up about. Leave a comment. And check out the newsletter below, and I will see you more tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.